In this video, we will talk about how to convert base 5 numbers to base 10 numbers. So I have 3 examples for us to work through here. Let's check out the first one. Let's say we have 3, 4 as a base 5 number. How can we convert this to a base 10 number? Well, we need to recognize that this first digit right here, this 4, it represents some value multiplied by 5 to the 0 power. And this second digit right here represents a value multiplied by 5 to the first power. So what we do is we say, okay, what is 3 times 5 to the first? So we'll say 3 times 5 to the first. And we add that to 4 times 5 to the 0. 4 times 5 to the 0. So 5 to the 0, anything to the 0 power is just 1. So this is 4 times 1. So this is just 4. Over here we have 5 to the first, that's just 5. So we have 3 times 5, which is 15. So our final answer is 15 plus 4, which is 19. So 34 as a base 5 number is equal to 19 as a base 10 number. All right, let's try another example. Let's say we have 201 as a base 5 number. How can we convert this to a base 10 number? Well, remember the trick again. This first value is some value multiplied by 5 to the 0 power. This next value is a number multiplied by 5 to the first, and this next value will be a number multiplied by 5 to the second. So notice the pattern here. We're just starting with an exponent of 0, and we're increasing 1 time each time we move to the left. So let's see what we get. We get 1 times 5 to the 0. So we'll say 1 times 5 to the 0 plus 0 times 5 to the first. And then we have 2 times 5 squared. So we're adding all these values together. So 5 squared, that's 25. So 2 times 25 is 50. Plus 0 times 5 is 0. Plus 1 times 5 to the 0. Remember, 5 to the 0 is just 1. So this is really 1 times 1, which is just 1. So we get 50 plus 0 plus 1, which is 51. So 201 as a base 5 number corresponds to 51 in the base 10 number system. All right, let's try one more example. Let's say we have 4331 in the base 5 system. How can we convert this to a number in the base 10 system? Well, this first value will be a number multiplied by 1 times 5 to the 0 power. This next value will be itself multiplied by 5 to the first power. This next one will be itself multiplied by 5 to the second power. And this last one will be itself multiplied by some 5 to the third power. So remember, we're adding all of these values together. So let's see what we get. So 5 to the third, that turns out to be 125. So 4 times 125, that's 500. Then we get 3 times 5 squared. So 5 squared is 25. 3 times 25 is 75. Then we get 3 times 5, which is 15. And then we get 1 times 1, which is just 1. So as our final answer, we get 500 plus 75, that's 575, plus 15, that's 590, plus 1, that's 591. So 4331 as a base 5 number corresponds to 591 in the base 10 system.